The UK LLC TRE is a secure remote desktop hosted by UK SERP running Windows 10. There is no connection to the internet except for approved services, and any information passed in or out must be reviewed and approved. Once in the TRE, you should navigate to your project folder, which is your designated directory for any workings related to your project in the TRE. You can find it in the S drive. We are using project 0000 as an example. Within you'll find several default folders, which act as a suggested structure for your project's workings and include key information about your project, such as your available views. On your first login, you will not find any data in the data folder. Data must first be retrieved from the UK LLC database into your working area. Data is made available in the TRE as database views. You can directly view the UK LLC database with SQL Management Studio. You can find out more about that in Intro to the UK LLC database. To pull your data, we strongly recommend you use one of the LLC's helper programs, currently including STATA, R and Python. These are detailed in subsequent guides. You will find a selection of common software installed in the TRE, including STATA, R and R Studio, and Python, among others. If you require additional software not currently installed in the TRE, please contact support at UK LLC. Finally, to fetch files imported into the TRE or request files out of the TRE, you can use the data transfer shortcut located on the desktop, detailed further in requesting files in and out of the TRE.